You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. And surely, your habits will change your future. Don't compare. Don't compare yourself with other. No one can play your role better than you. Never change your originality for the sake of others because no one can play your role better than you. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. Old friends are gold. New friends are diamonds. If you get diamonds, don't forget gold because only gold can hold a diamond. Don't read success stories. You will only get a message. Read failures stories. You will get some ideas to get success. Success in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make us a successful person. I am not a handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. Beauty is in heart. Man needs lot of difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy the success. Failure is the first step towards the success. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult.